Hi, welcome to another demonstration by RJ's Internet Marketing Solutions. Today we will be demonstrating how to create a PayPal button as well as how to install it on your website. First of all, you'll create you an account with PayPal, and once you're there, go and select Tools from the menu and select PayPal buttons. And that will bring you to this page of the different buttons that you can add to your website. If you are a nonprofit business, then of course you would use the donate button. If you are a for-profit business, then of course you can use the buy now button. Add to cart, subscribe will work for either type of business. So let's say that you are a for-profit business and you want to use the buy now button. So let's select this button to add to your site. And it will bring you to this page where you would have the buy now button, or you can select any of the other choices. So for this demonstration, let's go with the buy now button. So in order for your record to keep your buttons where you can identify which one is which and which one goes to which item, this is where you would name that button to keep your record straight. So let's say, for example, you are selling a blouse, a blue blouse, and this button will go to that particular product. So name your item. So you will recognize the button. Once you have long list of buttons, you will appreciate identifying your button. So let's say this one is for the blue blouse. And you're going to sell that blouse for, let's say, $25.99. And here you will customize the button. For example, with this blouse, being it's a blue blouse, you can have the different sizes, for example, and if you have a different price, for example, for those sizes, this is where you would set that up. Or you can use any of the other drop-down menu, customizing your button to your liking, what will work for you. And you can also customize the text or appearance of the button. You can either use the smaller button, or you can display the credit card logos with the buttons. And here you will pick your language for your button, and here you will select the text where you want to say buy now or pay now, or you can use your own button image here, uploading a button image that you have set up on your server. So for this demonstration, let's go with the PayPal button with the credit card logos. So here you specify your shipping information and the tax rate that goes along with that. And here on the merchant account IDs, it is recommended that you use a secure merchant account ID as opposed to using your primary address as the merchant account ID, and that's to save you from any spams or whatever. And you click on item number 2 if you need to track your inventory. Other than that, you will come over here and click on number 3. Like for me, who offer a service, I never have need for step number 2. And so over here, you will customize your checkout pages. Do you want to let the customer change the order quantities? You can select here, obviously, yes or no. Can your customer add any special instructions in the message? You would say yes or no. Do you need the customer shipping address? Here you would make that selection. And here you would select over here, in case the customer decide to cancel their order, Where would you like for them to go after that? Normally, I enter the URL where they started the process to buy the item or service. And here you would take them to the page where you would let them know that they either was successful with completing their order, or perhaps there's a landing page for them to subscribe to something of yours, or whatever page that you need them to go to once they finish their checkout. You would put in that URL address here, and then click here to create your button. And here you can choose either the website codes to install on your web page, or choose the email codes if you want to set your PayPal button up as a image, where you would click on the image. And that is how you create and install a button on your website. And this completes our demonstration of how to create and add a button to your website. Thank you very much for watching our demonstration.